Go on.
Okay.
No, one by one. Okay.
I started my trip from Netherlands.
From Netherlands. Okay. What is the capital of Netherlands?
It's Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. Okay.
And flight to Latvia,
Latvia. Okay. The capital is
Riga.
Riga.
And from Latvia I walked to Russia,
Okay.
and by boat by Atlantic Sea.
You go. Okay. In Russia, you take a boat, and via Atlantic Ocean, you go to
And go to Sweden.
Sweden. Okay.
Then by Atlantic Ocean I go to Denmark.
Okay. Denmark.
Then by Atlantic Ocean to Iceland.
Okay. It looks like you have all Atlantic Ocean boats there.
Not all.
At least three. I have one, and there is only one left.
One.
Okay, you went to Latvia. What state is this? In what region it is? In what region is it?
What do you mean?
Zakaria, can you help?
Yes, I can.
Look.
Latvia is in Baltic region.
Baltic region. Okay, so Estonia,
Is
Lithuania, and Latvia, they are called
Baltic country.
Baltic states.
Baltic states.
Okay, but you also visited Sweden. In what region is Sweden?
In Baltic region.
No, Sweden is a Scandinavian country.
Yeah, Scandinavian. So where is it lying?
In the south part of Scandinavia.
What?
And some
In the northwest of Europe. But what peninsula is it?
peninsula.
Scandinavia.
Scandinavian.
Scandinavian peninsula. What is it, peninsula?
Poloostrov.
Okay, can you describe it in English?
Oh, it is the place where is from three sides is it's water.
Okay. Let's say it is surrounded
By water.
by water. Okay.
But they have one part of earth.
Okay. They are linked to a continent. Yes. By Earth. Okay. Thank you.